how to install any HP printer driver. So the first thing that you need to do is head over to the hp.com website. Just like that. Now make sure you head over to support and then click software and drivers. Then select the printer and here type in the name of your printer. So mine is called 2130. This is mine right here. And once you selected the printer, go down until you see installation software and full basic driver support. So click that. And here we have two files. I'm gonna download the newest one, May 27th. This was just recently made actually, that's rare. So let's download the driver and save it. So right here you can type in any printer you want and find every single driver that's associated with the printer. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.